Hey, what's up guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I share with you the niche, I want to share with you my free print-on-demand course that I have on my YouTube channel. It's a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. I think it's like 16 lessons over an hour of content. If you go to my YouTube channel, it's the second playlist right here that says free Merch by Amazon course. I teach you about why low competition niches, how to cross niche, how to niche down, how to scale your designs, how to find trendy niches, evergreen niches, how to check for trademarks, how to keep your account safe. Go over a whole bunch of good stuff. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. So if you're interested, check it out. It will be free until I get up to 4,000 hours of watch time. Currently, I'm at 1,000. So once I get to 4,000, I will just basically make the playlist private. My credentials on Merch by Amazon: I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I have over 10,000 sales, and I've made over $36,000 in royalties on the Merch by Amazon platform. So again, if you're interested, check out the course, the free course. It's on my YouTube channel on the homepage, second playlist. Okay, now let's get into the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you today is a political niche, and it is we went to 54 states. This is what the designs are looking like. The reason this is trending is because yesterday or 2 days ago, Biden was making a speech or some type of interview, and he says that he went and visited 54 states when there's only 50 states in the United States of America. So another blunder from Biden. I've done pretty well with these gaffes that he has, especially on Merch and TeePublic. So, I know some people don't like to upload these type of political niches because they're kind of like scared or whatever. But what I do is I just don't add the word. I don't use any names, so I don't use like Biden or anything like that. I just say what the quote is. Let's just go over what the designs look like right here. So here you can see this is what the designs look like. The competition is still pretty low, only 241 results. And we're going to start seeing some good BSRs. 623, 562, 427. And when we take a look at test to see if this is trademark, we went to 54 states, hit enter. We will see that nothing is going to pop up. And the competition on Etsy is pretty much nothing. I see one here, two here, so looks like not that much. I'll hear a couple more, but still very little competition. Quick note on Etsy: if you have shirts like this, you want to enlarge it. You don't want to. So it'll make it easier so you can see what the actual design is, kind of like this one right here. But if we go to Redbubble, there's actually a little more competition here, so 291. You can go like this style too. You don't even have to say we went to 54 states. You can just have 54 like this with American flag. So that's how you can get kind of creative with it. When we take a look at the competition on TeePublic, I think it's just those first 6 right there, so very little competition. But going back over like the keywords and stuff like that, the way I would go after this niche, I would just very simply say we went to 54 states. I would use that as the title. I would use that as the brand name. I wouldn't have any words in the actual bullet points or descriptions. I would just keep it very simple, and I've been able to do pretty well with getting sales just like that. So if you're nervous about it, just maybe you just want to pass this niche, there's always going to be another trendy niche in the future. But if you still want to upload in this niche, but maybe you're a little nervous, just do what I do. Don't use any names like Biden or anything like that. And me personally, I also wouldn't put the picture of his face. I would do something more like this with just the American flag, and text on the top or on the bottom, kind of like these 3 designs right here, not like this. In my opinion, I just have a general rule, right? I try not to use, right? I never use people's names or use photos of people. It's just me, so I can sleep good at night, so I don't have to be stressed about anything happening to my account. But that is going to be the niche for today. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I put out videos on a regular basis about about trending Merch by Amazon designs. I also put out videos about design ideas. If you check out my first playlist right here, you'll get some good. I just put out a video yesterday about 8 Thanksgiving designs. So if you want to upload some Thanksgiving designs, you can get some good ideas here. So here are some other also trending niches as well. And then also have my course. So if you're interested, take a look. Consider subscribing. And thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.